Ano ho ang hawak ng komite based on the complaint na may nagpapatunay na totoo pong merong unexplained wealth ang BP at maging merong mga irregularidad sa kanyang SALN?
Well, right now, Manong Ted, no? Ang hawak lang natin ay yung naging manifestation ni Congressman Ridon, if you remember, the 2 SALN which were shared during the determination of sufficiency in substance of the third and the fourth impeachment complaint. No? Nevertheless, ayon sa ating mga justice members, hindi natin pwede i-expect ang mga complainants to have with them already this bank records, considering that they are protected by the bank secrecy law. No? As a matter of fact, maliwanag sa batas na itong impeachment cases, this is the only opportunity kung saan pwedeng mag-request ang complainant ng subpoena bank records. That is through the compulsory processes power granted to the House of Representatives and even to the Senate, no? So, bagaman tama ka, Manong Ted, sa observation mo na kulang sa attachment. But the explanation to this, according to the members, they cannot avail yet of the bank record protected by the bank secrecy law. And they are actually taking advantage of this process, the impeachment process, to be able to present those bank records in support of the allegations of unexplained wealth, no? So